Good morning, my name is Jasmine from Jasmine's Journal. I'm currently in Falkland, BC. Today's video is going to give you a virtual house tour of where I've been living for the past 2 weeks and where I'll be living for the rest of the year. And it is in my converted 2009, converted with myself and my really good friend Homer. Could not have done it without you, Homer, so thank you so much. But yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to message me. I will be doing a Q&A video answering all the questions as best I can to hopefully help everyone else realize I cannot afford an RV like me, or you want to do something like this, you can do it even in a small SUV. But yeah, if you like today's channel, then feel free to subscribe, and if you have any questions, message me, and if you want to on my Instagram, I'll leave it in the description. It's at Jasmine's Journal. But yeah, I hope you like the video. Somebody ran away, saying fast as I can, I got to go. Once upon a time we fell apart. You're holding in your hands the two halves of my heart.